Welcome to our exploration of the latest travel trends, where real experiences take center stage. In recent years, the way people travel has evolved dramatically, driven by a desire for authenticity and meaningful connections. Travelers are no longer satisfied with just sightseeing. They seek immersive adventures that allow them to truly engage with local cultures and environments. This shift has given rise to new patterns in travel behavior, from solo journeys to eco-friendly escape. As we embark on this journey together, we'll uncover what's shaping the world of travel today and how real experiences are redefining our adventures. One of the most significant travel trends is the rise of authentic experiences. Travelers are increasingly seeking opportunities to connect with locals, participate in cultural activities, and gain insights into everyday life. Whether it's cooking traditional dishes, learning local crafts, or joining community festivals, these experiences offer a deeper understanding of the places visited. This trend reflects a growing appreciation for authenticity and a move away from generic tourist attraction. By prioritizing real interactions, travelers create lasting memories and foster genuine connections, making their journeys more meaningful and impactful. Solo travel has become a major trend, with more people choosing to embark on journeys alone. This shift is driven by a desire for personal growth, independence, and self-discovery. Solo travelers often seek unique experiences that challenge them and expand their horizons. From hiking remote trails to exploring vibrant cities, traveling alone allows for greater flexibility and spontaneity. It also encourages deeper engagement with local communities, as solo travelers are more likely to interact with others and immerse themselves in new environments. The rise of solo travel highlights the importance of individual experiences in shaping travel trends. Sustainability is now at the forefront of travel trends, with eco-friendly escapes gaining popularity. Travelers are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact and seek ways to minimize their footprint. This includes choosing eco-lodges, participating in conservation projects, and supporting local businesses. Eco-friendly travel not only benefits the environment, but also enhances the overall experience by fostering a sense of responsibility and connection to nature. As more people embrace sustainable practices, destinations are adapting to meet these demands, offering green alternatives and promoting responsible tourism. Digital nomad lifestyle is reshaping travel trends. As remote work becomes increasingly common, people are taking advantage of technology to work from anywhere, blending professional responsibilities with travel adventures. This trend has led to the emergence of parking spaces, long-term stays, and flexible itineraries. Digital nomads prioritize destinations with reliable internet, vibrant communities, and opportunities for networking. Their experiences highlight the fusion of work and leisure, demonstrating how travel can be integrated into everyday life. The rise of digital nomads is transforming both the travel industry and the way we perceive work. Immersing oneself in local culture is a key travel trend, with travelers seeking genuine experiences beyond tourist hotspots. This involves staying in locally owned accommodations, dining at neighborhood restaurants, and participating in community events. Local immersion allows travelers to gain a deeper appreciation for the traditions, values, and lifestyles of the places they visit. It also supports local economies and fosters mutual understanding. By prioritizing local experiences, travelers contribute to sustainable tourism and create meaningful connections that enrich their journeys. Venture travel continues to grow in popularity, appealing to those who crave excitement and challenge. Activities such as hiking, mountain biking, scuba diving, and wildlife safaris offer opportunities for thrill seekers to push their limits and explore new environments. Adventure travel is not just about adrenaline, it's also about personal growth and connecting with nature. These experiences encourage travelers to step outside their comfort zones and embrace the unknown. The trend reflects a desire for active, engaging journeys that leave a lasting impact. Culinary exploration is a major travel trend, with food playing a central role in the travel experience. Travelers seek out local delicacies, street food, and traditional recipes, often participating in cooking classes or food tour. Culinary adventures provide insight into the culture and history of a destination, as food reflects the values and traditions of its people. By tasting and learning about local cuisine, travelers create memorable experiences and deepen their connection to the places they visit. The trend highlights the importance of food in shaping travel memories. Wellness retreats are becoming increasingly popular as travelers prioritize health and well-being during their journeys. These retreats offer opportunities for relaxation, meditation, yoga, and spa treatments, often set in tranquil natural environments. Wellness travel emphasizes self-care and rejuvenation, allowing travelers to recharge and find balance. The trend reflects a growing awareness of the importance of mental and physical health, with destinations catering to these needs through specialized programs and facilities. Wellness retreats provide a holistic approach to travel, combining leisure with personal growth. Family-friendly travel is a growing trend, with destinations and experiences designed to accommodate travelers of all ages. Families seek activities that are engaging, educational, and safe, from theme parks to nature excursions. The trend emphasizes quality time and shared experiences, fostering stronger bonds and creating lasting memories. Destinations are responding by offering family-oriented accommodations, attractions, and services. Family travel highlights the importance of inclusivity and accessibility, ensuring that everyone can enjoy meaningful adventures together. Luxury travel is evolving, with travelers seeking exclusive, personalized experiences rather than traditional opulence. This trend includes private tour, bespoke itineraries, and unique accommodations such as boutique hotels and villas. Luxury travelers prioritize comfort, privacy, and exceptional service, often choosing destinations that offer tranquility and exclusivity. The focus is on creating unforgettable moments and tailored adventures, reflecting a desire for quality over quantity. Luxury travel experiences are redefining what it means to travel in style, emphasizing authenticity and personalization. Attending cultural festivals is a vibrant travel trend, offering travelers the chance to celebrate local traditions and customs. Festivals provide immersive experiences from music and dance to food and art, showcasing the diversity and creativity of communities. Travelers participate in festivities, interact with locals, and gain a deeper understanding of cultural heritage. The trend highlights the importance of celebration and community in travel, creating joyful and memorable moments. Cultural festivals enrich the travel experience, making it more dynamic and engaging. Slow travel movement encourages travelers to take their time and savor each moment, focusing on quality over quantity. This trend involves spending longer periods in one destination, exploring at a relaxed pace, and forming deeper connections with local communities. Slow travel promotes mindfulness and sustainability, allowing travelers to appreciate the nuances of their surroundings. By prioritizing meaningful experiences over rushed itineraries, slow travel fosters a greater sense of fulfillment and well-being. The movement is reshaping how people approach travel, emphasizing depth and authenticity. Volunteer tourism is gaining traction, with travelers seeking opportunities to give back and make a positive impact. This trend involves participating in community projects, conservation efforts, and humanitarian initiatives. Volunteer travelers contribute their skills and time, supporting local development and environmental protection. The experience is rewarding and transformative, fostering a sense of purpose and connection. Volunteer tourism reflects a growing desire for responsible and meaningful travel, where the journey is not just about personal enjoyment but also about making a difference. Friendly travel is becoming more popular, as travelers wish to bring their furry companions along for the adventure. Destinations and accommodations are adapting to meet the needs of pet owners, offering pet-friendly services and amenities. This trend includes pet-friendly hotels, parks, and activities, ensuring that pets are welcome and comfortable. Traveling with pets enhances the experience, creating joyful moments and strengthening bonds. Pet-friendly travel reflects a growing appreciation for inclusivity and the importance of companionship in shaping travel memories. Experiential learning is a key travel trend, with travelers seeking educational opportunities during their journeys. This includes language courses, workshops, and hands-on activities that foster personal growth and skill development. Experiential learning allows travelers to gain new perspectives and insights, enriching their understanding of the world. The trend emphasizes the value of learning through experience, making travel more purposeful and rewarding. Destinations are responding by offering educational programs and immersive activities, catering to the needs of curious and adventurous travelers. Accessible travel is a growing trend, with destinations and services designed to accommodate travelers with disabilities. This includes accessible accommodations, transportation, and attractions, ensuring that everyone can enjoy meaningful experiences. The trend reflects a commitment to inclusivity and equality, making travel more accessible and enjoyable for all. Destinations are investing in infrastructure and training to meet the needs of diverse travelers. Accessible travel highlights the importance of removing barriers and creating opportunities for everyone to explore the world. Group travel is evolving, with travelers seeking shared experiences that foster connection and camaraderie. This trend includes group tour retreats and adventure trips, designed to bring people together and create lasting memories. Group travel offers opportunities for social interaction, teamwork, and collective exploration. Destinations are responding by offering group-oriented activities and accommodations, catering to the needs of friends, families, and like-minded travelers. The trend highlights the importance of community and collaboration in shaping travel experiences. Exploring remote destinations is a growing trend, as travelers seek solitude and adventure in off-the-beaten-path locations. These destinations offer unique landscapes, wildlife, and cultural experiences away from crowded tourist spots. Remote travel encourages exploration and discovery, fostering a sense of wonder and excitement. The trend reflects a desire for authenticity and connection with nature, as travelers venture into less visited areas. Destinations are responding by promoting sustainable tourism and preserving natural environments, ensuring that remote travel remains rewarding and responsible. Technology is transforming travel, with digital tools enhancing the experience and making journeys more convenient. This includes travel apps, online booking platforms, and virtual tour, allowing travelers to plan and explore with ease. Technology also enables real-time communication, navigation, and information sharing, making travel safer and more efficient. The trend highlights the importance of innovation and adaptability, as travelers embrace new ways of experiencing the world. Destinations are investing in digital infrastructure to meet the needs of tech-savvy travelers. Personalized itineraries are a major trend, with travelers seeking tailored experiences that match their interests and preferences. This includes customized tour, unique activities, and flexible schedules, allowing travelers to create their own adventures. Personalized travel emphasizes individuality and creativity, making journeys more meaningful and enjoyable. Destinations are responding by offering bespoke services and experiences, catering to the needs of diverse travelers. The trend reflects a desire for authenticity and control, as travelers design their own paths. Cultural exchange is a key travel trend, with travelers seeking opportunities to learn from and interact with people from different backgrounds. This includes homestays, language exchanges, and cultural workshops, fostering mutual understanding and respect. Cultural exchange enriches the travel experience, creating meaningful connections and broadening perspectives. Destinations are responding by promoting intercultural programs and activities, catering to the needs of curious and open-minded travelers. The trend highlights the importance of diversity and inclusion in shaping travel memories. Sustainable tourism is a growing trend, with travelers and destinations prioritizing environmental protection and social responsibility. This includes eco-friendly accommodations, conservation projects, and responsible travel practices. Sustainable tourism benefits local communities and preserves natural environments, ensuring that travel remains rewarding and impactful. The trend reflects a commitment to sustainability and ethical travel, as travelers seek to minimize their footprint and contribute to positive change. Destinations are responding by promoting green initiatives and educating travelers about responsible tourism. Art and creativity are shaping travel trends, with travelers seeking opportunities to engage with local artists and creative communities. This includes art tour workshops and exhibitions, offering insight into the cultural and artistic heritage of destinations. Creative travel encourages self-expression and exploration, making journeys more dynamic and inspiring. Destinations are responding by promoting art events and supporting local artists, catering to the needs of creative travelers. The trend highlights the importance of creativity and innovation in enriching travel experiences. Seasonal travel is a popular trend, with travelers planning journeys around specific seasons and events. This includes winter sports, summer festivals, and autumn foliage tour, offering unique experiences and scenery. Seasonal travel allows travelers to enjoy the best of each destination, from snowy mountains to blooming gardens. The trend reflects a desire for variety and excitement, as travelers seek new adventures throughout the year. Destinations are responding by promoting seasonal attractions and activities, catering to the needs of adventurous travelers. Social media is influencing travel trends, with platforms like Instagram and TikTok shaping how travelers discover and share experiences. Travelers use social media to find inspiration, plan trips, and connect with others, creating a global community of explorers. The trend highlights the importance of digital storytelling and visual content, as travelers document their journeys and inspire others. Destinations are responding by promoting social media campaigns and engaging with travelers online. Social media is transforming the way people experience and remember travel. Budget travel is a major trend, with travelers seeking affordable and value-driven experiences. This includes budget accommodations, low-cost transportation, and free activities, making travel accessible to more people. Budget travel emphasizes creativity and resourcefulness, allowing travelers to explore the world without breaking the bank. Destinations are responding by offering budget-friendly options and promoting value-driven experiences. The trend reflects a desire for inclusivity and accessibility, ensuring that everyone can enjoy meaningful adventures. Safety and security are top priorities for travelers, shaping travel trends and influencing destination choices. This includes safe accommodations, reliable transportation, and emergency services, ensuring that travelers feel protected and confident. The trend reflects a growing awareness of risks and the importance of preparedness, as travelers seek peace of mind during their journeys. Destinations are responding by investing in safety measures and providing information to travelers. Safety and security are essential for creating positive and memorable travel experiences. Unique accommodations are a growing trend, with travelers seeking memorable and distinctive places to stay. This includes treehouses, boutique hotels, and eco-lodges, offering creative and immersive experiences. Unique accommodations enhance the travel experience, providing comfort and inspiration. The trend reflects a desire for novelty and adventure, as travelers explore new ways of living and connecting with their surroundings. Destinations are responding by promoting innovative accommodations and supporting local businesses. Travel for celebration is a vibrant trend, with travelers planning journeys around special occasions and milestones. This includes weddings, anniversaries, and birthdays, creating joyful and memorable moments. Celebration travel emphasizes togetherness and happiness, fostering stronger bonds and lasting memories. Destinations are responding by offering celebration packages and services, catering to the needs of celebratory travelers. The trend highlights the importance of joy and connection in shaping travel experiences. Travel photography is a popular trend, with travelers capturing and sharing their experiences through images. Photography allows travelers to document their journeys, express creativity, and inspire others. The trend includes photography tour workshops and exhibitions, offering opportunities for skill development and artistic expression. Destinations are responding by promoting scenic spots and supporting photographers. Travel photography enriches the travel experience, making it more dynamic and memorable. Travel for wellness is a growing trend, with travelers prioritizing health and well-being during their journeys. This includes wellness retreats, spa treatments, and fitness activities, offering opportunities for relaxation and rejuvenation. Wellness travel emphasizes self-care and balance, allowing travelers to recharge and find harmony. Destinations are responding by offering wellness programs and facilities, catering to the needs of health-conscious travelers. The trend highlights the importance of well-being in shaping travel experiences. Travel for education is a key trend, with travelers seeking opportunities to learn and grow during their journeys. This includes study abroad programs, educational tour, and workshops, fostering personal development and skill acquisition. Educational travel enriches the experience, providing insight into new cultures and perspectives. Destinations are responding by offering educational programs and activities, catering to the needs of curious and adventurous travelers. The trend highlights the value of learning and exploration in shaping travel memories. Travel for work is evolving, with business travelers seeking opportunities to blend professional responsibilities with leisure and exploration. This includes conferences, meetings, and corporate retreats, offering opportunities for networking and skill development. Business travel emphasizes productivity and innovation, allowing travelers to expand their horizons and create new connections. Destinations are responding by offering business-friendly accommodations and services, catering to the needs of professional travelers. The trend highlights the importance of work-life balance in shaping travel experiences. Travel for romance is a popular trend, with couples seeking opportunities to celebrate love and create memorable moments together. This includes romantic getaways, honeymoon trips, and anniversary celebrations, offering unique experiences and scenery. Romantic travel emphasizes intimacy and connection, fostering stronger bonds and lasting memories. Destinations are responding by offering romantic packages and services, catering to the needs of couple. The trend highlights the importance of love and togetherness in shaping travel experiences. Travel for adventure is a major trend, with travelers seeking excitement and challenge during their journeys. This includes adventure sports, outdoor activities, and exploration, offering opportunities for personal growth and discovery. Adventure travel encourages travelers to step outside their comfort zones and embrace the unknown. Destinations are responding by promoting adventure activities and supporting thrill seekers. The trend highlights the importance of challenge and exploration in shaping travel experiences. Travel for nature is a growing trend, with travelers seeking opportunities to connect with the natural world. This includes nature reserves, national parks, and ecotour, offering unique landscapes and wildlife experiences. Nature travel emphasizes sustainability and conservation, allowing travelers to appreciate and protect the environment. Destinations are responding by promoting nature-based activities and supporting conservation efforts. The trend highlights the importance of nature and sustainability in shaping travel experiences. Travel for culture is a key trend, with travelers seeking opportunities to engage with local traditions and heritage. This includes cultural tour, festivals, and workshops, offering insight into the history and values of destinations. Cultural travel enriches the experience, fostering mutual understanding and respect. Destinations are responding by promoting cultural activities and supporting local communities. The trend highlights the importance of culture and diversity in shaping travel memories. Travel for food is a major trend, with travelers seeking culinary adventures and local delicacies. This includes food tour, cooking classes, and street food experiences, offering insight into the culture and history of destinations. Food travel emphasizes creativity and exploration, allowing travelers to taste and learn about new cuisines. Destinations are responding by promoting culinary activities and supporting local chefs. The trend highlights the importance of food and creativity in shaping travel experiences. Travel for relaxation is a growing trend, with travelers seeking opportunities to unwind and recharge during their journeys. This includes spa treatments, wellness retreats, and leisure activities offering tranquility and comfort. Relaxation travel emphasizes self-care and balance, allowing travelers to find harmony and peace. Destinations are responding by offering relaxation programs and facilities, catering to the needs of leisure travelers. The trend highlights the importance of relaxation and well-being in shaping travel experiences. Travel for exploration is a key trend, with travelers seeking opportunities to discover new places and experiences. This includes exploration tour, adventure trips, and cultural exchanges, offering insight into the diversity and beauty of the world. Exploration travel encourages curiosity and creativity, making journeys more dynamic and inspiring. Destinations are responding by promoting exploration activities and supporting adventurous travelers. The trend highlights the importance of discovery and creativity in shaping travel experiences. Travel for connection is a growing trend, with travelers seeking opportunities to build relationships and create meaningful memories. This includes group travel, family trips, and community events, fostering togetherness and joy. Connection travel emphasizes inclusivity and collaboration, allowing travelers to share experiences and support each other. Destinations are responding by promoting connection activities and supporting community initiatives. The trend highlights the importance of relationships and togetherness in shaping travel memories. Travel for inspiration is a key trend, with travelers seeking opportunities to spark creativity and motivation during their journeys. This includes art tour, creative workshops, and scenic adventures, offering insight into the beauty and diversity of the world. Inspirational travel encourages self-expression and exploration, making journeys more dynamic and fulfilling. Destinations are responding by promoting inspirational activities and supporting creative travelers. The trend highlights the importance of inspiration and creativity in shaping travel experiences. Travel for growth is a major trend, with travelers seeking opportunities for personal development and self-improvement during their journeys. This includes workshops, retreats, and educational programs, offering insight into new skills and perspectives. Growth travel emphasizes learning and exploration, allowing travelers to expand their horizons and achieve their goals. Destinations are responding by offering growth-oriented activities and supporting ambitious travelers. The trend highlights the importance of growth and achievement in shaping travel experiences. As we conclude our journey through the latest travel trends, it's clear that real experiences are at the heart of modern travel. From authentic cultural immersion to eco-friendly escapes and digital nomad lifestyles, travelers are seeking meaningful adventures that enrich their lives. The future of travel will continue to be shaped by innovation, sustainability, and a desire for connection. Destinations and travelers alike are embracing new possibilities, creating a dynamic and inspiring landscape. By prioritizing real experiences, we can make travel more rewarding, impactful, and memorable for everyone.